Guys, I've got noodles, cucumber and sausage. I've got the stew type, Buldak. Yum yum in my tum tum. Let's eat it together. I've let it cool down. I was not gonna eat this whilst it was hot. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I think it's still even hot. Let's see. Oh. So spicy though. It's cooled down, but the heat, spiciness is still there. Have a big bite. It's have a bite. I know you guys are waiting for me to eat the sausage, but I think it's gonna be hot and I don't want to eat. Alright guys, this winter is gonna be cold. This winter is going to be freezing. Okay, I'm gonna eat the sausage. Sausage. Oh, it's the cheese ones. That's hot. Noodles.